If you are planning to move for further studies in Canada and confused about which study program to choose, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Devanshu Shah and I am associated with Vinny Immigration as an immigration consultant. Today in this video, we will be discussing upon how to choose your study program and ideal province for you to study in Canada. Before we go ahead, I would request you all to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the various informative updates regarding immigration. There are certain points you need to consider before choosing which college or university to study in Canada, such as what are your personal and professional goals, as these two are interconnected and highly impact your long-term career and permanent residency status in Canada. Second thing you need to consider is what is the level of education you want to pursue. Are you planning to do your bachelor's degree, or else you have already completed your bachelor's? Then what is the course or which is the course you should be choosing that will complement your bachelor's degree in the best way possible? Or else are you planning to do a vocational course or a diploma degree emphasizing on a specific skill? It is advisable to choose the courses which offers you co-op or internship opportunities. This will give you practical exposure and Canadian work experience with your education, and ultimately this will help you find a permanent full-time job in Canada. Third point to consider is which area you want to follow. Is it relevant with the experience you already have in your home country, or are you planning to choose a new one? Fourth point to consider is your language proficiency. As there are two official languages, English and French, you need to look up what is the minimum band requirement for a particular course or program you have chosen from a particular college or university. Also, you need to do a financial planning and check how will you pay your tuition fees for a particular college or university. Will you gonna pay it all in advance, or will you gonna pay before each semester? Now, one of the most important points you need to check is that does your college certified by the Canadian government? Does it provide postgraduate work permit after a particular course you are graduating from? Besides choosing a study program and a college or university, it is also important to choose a particular province or an ideal province to study for you in Canada. You need to also consider the job market opportunity in a particular province after graduating and gaining an expertise in a particular skill or course. The best way to study the job market is that to look up all the different pathways available after graduating from that particular course in a certain province. For example, if you have done your course in your data analytics, then you can find out what are the kind of jobs available after this course. What are the companies, which are the companies hiring for this position, and what is the average salary in that particular province for this skill. In this way, you will get the idea of the market condition and job market opportunities available after doing that particular course. While choosing a particular province to study, you need to also check the official language spoken there, such as English or French. Apart from all this, you need to also analyze the cost of living in that particular province. Other than that, what are the transportation facility, what is the infrastructure facility, and how is the weather condition there? Is it too cold or is it mild? All these also matters while choosing the province. Also, the health system, taxation and wages vary with each province. I hope this information has helped you to choosing the best suited course for you from all different angles. With any more queries regarding your immigration process, please feel free to write to us at inquiry@vinnyimmigration.com, or you can also give a call at a toll-free number 1800 419 3242. Thank you so much.